Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 mdnsNSP.dll Bonjour is blocked from loading into LSA in Windows 11. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one from description. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.